Good evening, everyone. It is an honor and a pleasure to be here and be a part of the Vivo Pro Kabaddi Player Auction Season 8. We will start with Category A, All-Rounders, and let's see which player is going to start us off for this evening. It is going to be Deepak Nivas Huda, the #1 all-rounder of Vivo Pro Kabaddi. Why don't we open at 30 lakh and see where we go from there? Do I have a bid of 30 anywhere? Do I have a bid of 30 lakh in the room anywhere? 50 Bengaluru Bulls gets us started at 50 lakh. Thank you so much. At 50, I have in the center of the room. Do I have 55 anywhere? I have 50 in the center of the room from our 2018 champions, Bengaluru Bulls. Do I have anybody else? 55, thank you, Patna Pirates at 55. 55 lakh. For you, Patna Pirates. However, we do have everybody an FBM option available. So we will wait and see. Yes, there we go. I can see the FBM option. Jaipur Pink Panthers is exercising their option to retain their player. So Deepak Nivas Huda, #1, will be retained by the Jaipur Pink Panthers at 55 lakh. Done at 55 lakh. And we have #2, Rohit Gulia. And why don't we open here also at 30 lakh, please? At 30 lakh. 32 on my right with Puneri Paltan. 33, I have the Jaipur Pink Panthers. New bidder at 33 now. At 47 lakh on my right with Puneri Paltan. Any more? Are we going ahead at 47 lakh? Not yours, Haryana. Still with you. 55 I have at 55 lakh. Still with Puneri Paltan at 55. Let's wait and see what Haryana decides. At 82, the bid is on my right. 83 I have in time. I will sell, fair warning, the bid is on my left with the Haryana Steelers at 83 if we're all completely through, and down it's going at 83 lakh. Gone at 83 lakh to the Haryana Steelers. Well done. We have Ravinder Pahal, #12, known as the Hawk. Let us open here at 30 lakh for the Hawk. Ravinder Pahal at 30 lakh. At 31 now with the Telugu Titans. 32 I have new bidder, Puneri Paltan. 50 lakh. At 50 lakh for Gujarat, I have 51 for Puneri Paltan. 63 is back with Gujarat Giants at 63 lakh now. 71 I have Puneri Paltan. 74 is back with the Gujarat Giants. Last chance for anybody else in the room. If we're all done at 74 lakh, the player will go to the Gujarat Giants. Let's see what happens at 74 lakh. At 74 lakh with you, congratulations to you. Vishal Bharadwaj, #6. Vishal Bharadwaj. At 30 lakh in Delhi, from Delhi? Yes? At 30 lakh. Opening bid, thank you so much. 50 Puneri Paltan. Thank you so much. At 50 lakh I have with Puneri Paltan. At 50 lakh. Not yours, Dabang Delhi. Not yours, the Pink Panthers. 51, I have a new bidder. Haryana Steelers has come in. 60. Okay, 60 for Puneri Paltan I have. At 60 lakh on my right with Puneri Paltan. And it will go to you at 60 lakh. It's yours at 60 lakh. Vishal Bharadwaj goes to the Puneri Paltan, #6 player for 60 lakh. Thank you very much. The defenders, we move on to Baldev Singh, #11. Opening bid at 30 is on my right from Puneri Paltan. 35 lakh, Telugu Titans comes back at 35 lakh. 36 for Puneri Paltan. 45 is the Pirates. 46, the Titans come in again. 47 is with the Patna Pirates. 50 on my right, Puneri Paltan. Thank you. Do we have any more? 59 from the Pirates. Thank you. 59 lakh. 60 on my right with Puneri Paltan at 60. Down it goes at 60 for Puneri Paltan. Thank you all very much. Surinder Singh, #5. 32 goes back to the Jaipur Pink Panthers. At 33 now with the Telugu Titans. 34 with the Pink Panthers. 35 with the Titans. 36 with the Pink Panthers. 37 with the Titans. 38 back to the Pink Panthers. 39 with the Telugu Titans. 54 is back with the Pink Panthers. 55 for the Titans. At 55, it's with the Titans here at 55 lakh. We will then go with the Telugu Titans for Surinder Singh at 55 lakh. For you at 55 lakh. Well done. Sandeep Kumar Dhal, number 8. 31 is the Pink Panthers. Thank you. On my right, 32 is Dabang Delhi. 33 is the Jaipur Pink Panthers. 34 is with Dabang Delhi. 35 is the Pink Panthers. 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay, on my right at 39, 40 lakh. With Dabang Delhi at 40 lakh. 41 for Haryana Steelers, new bidder, thank you. At 41, 42 is back with the Dabang Delhi team at 42. At 45, we go back to Haryana. Last chance for any other team to come in, and it will go down at 45 lakh. Haryana Steelers, Sandeep Dhal at 45 lakh. We do have a final bid match option from the Jaipur Pink Panthers, and let's see what they decide. FBM exercised by Jaipur Pink Panthers, so Sandeep Dhal will go to the Jaipur Pink Panthers at 45 lakh. Thank you all. Number 7, defender Surjit Singh. Thank you, Delhi, on my left at 31. 38 with the Bengaluru Bulls. 39, Delhi. 44 is with the Bulls. 45 with Delhi. 45 lakh with Delhi. Anybody else like to enter the bidding at 48 lakh? 49, thank you, Tamil Talaivas. 50 for Bengaluru Bulls. At 74 lakh, I have Dabang Delhi. At 74 lakh, coming back strong at 74. Tamil Talaivas, 75 at 75 lakh. Tamil Talaivas for you at 75 lakh. Thank you all and well done. Number 9, Mahinder Singh, our last Category A defender on offer this evening. At 30 lakh, I have bid close by me. 31 lakh, UP Yodha comes in. At 32 lakh, Telugu Titans is back with them. 50, is that it? 50, Patna Pirates comes in at 50 lakh. Thank you very much. At 50 lakh. Last chance for Telugu Titans or for UP Yodha at 50 lakh. It will go, the player will go to the Patna Pirates if we're all completely certain at 50 lakh. There you go. We do have an FBM option though, and Bengaluru Bulls will exercise their FBM option at 50 lakh. Mahinder Singh will go to the Bengaluru Bulls. We will continue with the Raiders, the all-exciting category in Category A. K. Prapanjan, number 15. At 31, I have Telugu Titans. Up front, closer to me, not yours, U Mumba. 32 from U Mumba, thank you. At 32. 43 goes to the Bengaluru Bulls. 43 lakh on my right with the Bengaluru Bulls. 69. Thank you, Talaivas. 70 for the Bengaluru Bulls. At 70 lakh, 71 with the Tamil Talaivas. At 71. At 71 lakh for our first Raider this evening, all done, and down it will go at 71 lakh. For you, Tamil Talaivas, at 71 lakh, K. Prapanjan, number 15. Siddharth Desai, number 26, our second Raider today. Nothing more needs to be said. Why don't we open at 30 lakh for Siddharth Desai today? At 30 lakh. 50 for Patna Pirates. At 50 for the Patna Pirates. At 50. 51 for the Bengaluru Bulls. At 51. 75 for UP Yodha. Should we go up in fives? 75. 80 I have for the Patna Pirates. Wonderful. At 80. With the Patna Pirates at 80. 1 for Jaipur Pink Panthers. At 1 crore. At 1 crore with the Jaipur Pink Panthers. 130 is UP Yodha. At 1 crore 30 we have UP Yodha. At 1 crore and 30 lakh. It's yours at 1 crore 30. What remains to be seen is if the Telugu Titans will in fact exercise their FBM option. And they have. At 1 crore 30, Siddharth Desai will stay with the Telugu Titans. Rahul Chaudhary, number 22. Do I have 30 lakh as an opening bid? Thank you, Telugu Titans. 30 lakh up front with the Telugu Titans. Close to me. 39 from Patna. Thank you. At 39 lakh, rounding it up to 40, is the Puneri Paltan. At 40 lakh on my right, with Pune at 40. And the player will go to the Puneri Paltan for the moment, if we're all completely certain, at 40 lakh. For you at 40 lakh. Done. Pardeep Narwal, number 19. And let's open at 30 lakh. I have up front at 30. 1.2 crore. Telugu Titans, opening bid of 1 crore and 20 lakh up front at 1 crore 20. 130 for UP Yodha. 146. Pink Panthers, 165. Okay, 165. At 1 crore 65, still going strong, UP Yodha. All done. At 1 crore 65, and down we are going at 1 crore and 65 lakh. At 1 crore 65, I think that's a new record for a player as well. Let's just give the Patna Pirates the opportunity if they'd like to exercise their final bid match. At 1 crore 65, the answer is no. With UP Yodha at 1 crore 65 lakh. Well done. At 30 lakh for Manjeet, number 17. Thank you, Telugu Titans. At 30 lakh, I have up front with me, closer to me, at 30. 40 for the Bengaluru Bulls. 53 goes to the Tamil Thalivas. 60 lakh for the Bengaluru Bulls. 76 for the Tamil Thalivas. 80 for the Bulls at 80 lakh. 88 for Tamil Thalivas. 89 is for the Bulls. 92 Tamil Thalivas. At 92 lakh, all through, and the player will go to the Tamil Thalivas at 92 lakh. Congratulations. Opening bid of 30 lakh, please, do I have? For Rohit Kumar, do I have anywhere at 30 lakh? At 31 lakh with the Patna Pirates at 31. 36 is up here closer to me, Telugu Titans at 36. At 36 lakh. For you, Telugu Titans, Chandran Ranjit. And I'm going to open here at 30 lakh, please. At 30 lakh, do I have any opening bids? At 30 lakh. At 31 lakh with you, Mumbai. Anybody else coming in? 50, Bengaluru Bulls. At 50, 71 is with Patna. 75 with Bengaluru. 76, new bids, Jaipur Pink Panthers. 80 is with Bengaluru. At 80, back to my original bidder, Bengaluru, not yours, Jaipur. Bengaluru, that's for you at 80 lakh. Prashant Kumar Rai, number 21. Do we have a bid of 30 anywhere? Thank you, Patna Pirates, at 30 lakh, starting us off. 50 for Bengaluru. 51 for the Pink Panthers. 55 returns Patna at 55. The Pirates are back in. Hammers up at 55 lakh. For the Patna Pirates at 55 lakh. Congratulations. Sachin, number 24. Sachin. Thank you, Jaipur. At 30 lakh is with Jaipur now, with the Pink Panthers. 32, UP Yodha comes in. At 32 with UP Yodha. 50 for the Patna Pirates, behind you. At 50 lakh, 51 is the Bengaluru Bulls, 52 is UP Yodha. 78 for the Patna Pirates. At 78 lakh, it's with the Pirates now. At 78, 79 for UP Yodha. At 84 lakh, it's with the Patna Pirates. To the Patna Pirates at 84 lakh. Sachin is with the Patna Pirates at 84. Thank you so much. Shrikant Jadhav, number 25. At 31, the Pink Panthers have come in. 32, the Titans come back. 33 is for the Pink Panthers. 41 is for the Bulls. 42 is for the Puneri Paltan team. 43 for the Pink Panthers. 45 is for the Bulls. 72, okay, 72 lakh with Puneri Paltan. At 72 lakh, and the hammer will come down then at 72 lakh. 72 lakh for Shrikant Jadhav with Puneri Paltan. Let us see what UP Yodha has to say with their final bid match option. And they do exercise it. At 72 lakh, the player does go to UP Yodha. Shrikant Jadhav for 72 lakh to the UP Yodha team, number 25. Thank you all very, very much.